We've arrived at the first destination. It is called Vista Montana Redondo en Niches. Here you go. Let me show you what it's called. So we have a beautiful view where whales come to mate. And we have some activities. Up here ahead, we got the zip line, bicycle, and we got a little swing that we're about to try. Very excited. The weather is nice, a little bit sunny on and off, but you know. Should I go sit there? There we go. Now we're both on a window.
Yeah, I like doing this.
I know. See, now if I take any videos, you'll be in the background. Take it out.
People, this is brackish water. Do you know what it means? Can you say it? Bahía, San Lorenzo, Bahía, San Lorenzo. Samaná, la prestigio, over there in Samaná. Sí, se llama Aura, es carroñera. Avoltoyo. Mangia carne bianca, morta. Wow! Great cliff. Quel bel falaise. Tomen foto, mi gente. Qua a Samaná e a Porto Plata. L'ambra, questa parte dove c'è l'ambra con il piccolo, come si dice, zanzare dentro. Questo è la Porto Plata. 2003.
Jurassic Park and Pirates of the Caribbean was filmed here. So I remember, you know, Pirata del Caribbean. We got it. Let's see where we're walking to.
This tour so far has been so beautiful.
Yeah, it's very, very like Pirates of the Caribbean-ish. And Jurassic Park, I could see that.
Yeah.
We're going into a cave. Let's see what it's like. It's very dark in here.
Wow, there are so many people. You want to take a picture over there?
We are looking at the pictographs here. They're black because they use charcoal. Las pictogramas son
Let's go on a mini hiking trip.
what they mean. Yeah, and afterwards they mean they're called colors.
It's very slippery and I don't have my water shoes. Attempt to get this view from up here. Ooh, yeah, I'm not gonna go all the way up there. Too much. Try to get a bit closer. That's as far as I can go. We've been fasting. We are ready to eat.
Ready for the food.
How do you feel about this tour?
Super fun, amazing, and beautiful. So I'm excited to be here.
All we heard is something about lunch. Comer, lunch, you know.
That's all we need to hear.
That's all we
Coconut.
need to hear. Coconut.
La noix de coco. El almuerzo es
¿Qué
este.
de coco?
Coco con miel.
Coco
Y
con
miel.
miel.
Coco. Honey with coconut.
Honey with
This
coconut.
is your lunch.
What a great snack.
Sí.
Excited about honey with coconut.
Esto será
I
el
don't like
plato.
either, but I'm hungry.
I mean, it's okay.
It's that first little snack.
It's very good. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's good. All right, well, we are off to comer, which is some of the most exciting parts of our trip. No, just kidding, but we do love food. Thank you. Join us in Cascada, whatever that is.
That's a big
I think I'm gonna grab this rooster and cockfight him.
Hi, how are you? Can you say hi?
No. Oh, really? They attack? Oh, wow. I didn't know that. Well, he was nice to me. Oh, gracias. Gracias para letting me know.